Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Trust Stanley. Alright, previously I showed you how to reduce your data through Datally, and I also showed you how to reduce your data on Chrome. Okay, we also have a very good browser which almost everybody uses as well, your Opera or Opera Mini as some call it. Okay, Opera Mini is also a very fast browser, and then we do so many people love it. We have a lot of they has a lot of fans. All right, I'm actually giving you guys the good news that Opera Mini can also do those tricks in using less data for you. All right, to do this you just have to click on your Play Store once again to download the application. This is a different application from the previous one. It's actually called Opera Mass. So if you're making use of your data, just type Opera Mass and then let it load. This is it right here, Opera Max. Just go ahead and install it, but since I already have it installed, it actually came with the phone, so I don't need to install it anymore. Let me just open it, and while I do that, make sure you do that also. All right, this is Opera Mask. Now you can see that it actually find out which app are spying on you. I also have more features, not just saving you up more data. You can also go for privacy mode powered by Opera Mass Shield, and then make use of some private stuffs right here. All right, you can see that your privacy is off. You can actually turn it on if you want, and then enable all these particular features. Okay, and then for your data saving mode, you can just turn this on to save your data, which is actually what we want to do. You can see that it's scanning and then saving. All right, saving off your data wasted. It's now showing you everything that is being wasted, and then just click on this particular button to turn it on, and then you can see that actually it's actually data is already on. And then what we want to turn on right now, it's our Opera Mass. Okay, let me go ahead and turn off data because we want to test out this Opera Mass. All right, go back. You can now see that turn on, and then it's saving. You can see how many data that have been wasted so far. All right, okay, now we are done, and it's actually updated and saving. Now you can see how many applications that have used up our data. So you can see now how many applications that have been using our data so far, and how many data they've used up so far. All right, this is now actually what we want to do. We want to start browsing, so let's go ahead and start into our VIP mode, and then we can also turn this our VIP mode, which actually leaves it on and enabled for us. All right, now we have it off and then on and then on, and then we can also see that it's actually connected. So all we have to do now is to start browsing, and then to start browsing we just have to open our normal Opera Mini. So opening our Opera Mini actually enables the Opera to synchronize with our Opera Mini. It only synchronizes with our Opera Mini and gives us that feature. If you're not running on Opera Mini, it's not going to give us those features. So you should know this. Just there is nothing special about Opera Mini, or no special setting for you to do. So far you've actually turned up your features which you want to use. It's going to be turned up for you automatically. So after doing that, just open up your Opera Mini to browse, and then go ahead and browse. While this thing is loading, let me go ahead and pause the video. All right, welcome back. Okay, the application is already on, and then we can notice the default application that comes with Opera. So you can go ahead and click on whatever you want to. I don't want to log in to my Facebook, so let me. Oh, jeez. All right. There is nothing fun about this, or nothing fancy. The only unique thing about the mass data saving is that it's actually going to be saving up your data instead of you to be consuming a lot of data. So there is nothing special, there is no settings for you to do in Opera. Just open up your Opera and start browsing, and then you can notice on your mass data while it's loading, you can notice how many data that is being consumed or that is being loaded up on the Opera Mini browser. Okay, let's wait for it to load. It's still loading. Alright, Facebook is open and I don't want to log into my Facebook because I am not looking for someone to hack to my account. So all these night actually it doesn't have much of data on it, so it's not going to consume much of our data. But anyway, let's just click 2 or 3 links. I'm very sure it's going to be consuming like at least few kilobytes for us. So in order for us to do this, we just want to see the difference between going we just want to see what's going on with our Opera mouse. Okay, you can also notice that now it has moved up to 1000 kilobyte, which is actually very close to 1 megabyte. So you can see how this is moving and the activities which is going on, and then you can also notice whatever is going on in there, and then you can toggle off and on whatever you want to do. So all right, this is more like it. There is nothing more fancy to show you anymore. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe for more.